So right now we're still here at the Mermaid Dive Center on our second day, and today we are going to show you where we are going to scuba dive. So number 28, we're going to start off with a hole in the wall, and then we're going to end up on number 33, which is the canyon. But another dive site is number 34, but we will be going against the tide, against the current, because right now it's flooding. So that's going to be the plan. So we do 2 in 1, which is the hole in the wall and end up in the canyon. So again, this is the very clean, beautiful diving center of Mermaid here in Sabang, Puerto Galera. Well, I would suggest if you want cheaper rooms, there are cheaper rooms here on that second floor. There's actually a total of 7 rooms, and as soon as you wake up, you'll be having a free coffee. Yes, coffee is free every time you want to dive, together with ano ba yung libre? Coffee lang, ano? Coffee lang? Coffee and tea is free. Galing. Oh, so that is before and after the dive. Tama? Wow, what a beautiful dive center they have here. And here you have the camera, mask and fins. So every time you wash, everything is segregated. Everything is well organized here at the Mermaid Dive Center. So si Flory, ang bait, oh. Nakalimutan kasi yan ilagay sa aking gear. Thank you, Flory. It's really a nice dive shop to chill after a dive. The best part is that they have a new boardwalk. Yes, this is a new boardwalk. Yes, what a beautiful boardwalk they have. And unlike before, it's really hard to get to the boat. Now it's much easier to get to the boat because there are already concrete stairs going to the boat. And automatically you get wet. Yes, so we'll start diving now. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, ready to dive. This is West Escarceo. All right, John is already preparing himself to scuba dive, and ang ganda ng gear mo, pang technical yan pare ah. Talagang ano siya, mahilig lang talaga sa deep diving. Kanya yung kanyang gear is for basically technical diving. Anong tawag sa kanyang mga gear? Backplated. Ang maganda sa backplated, hindi mo na kailangan ng tingga, ano?
Depende, pero sa akin kasi hindi ko na kailangan.
Kanya nga.
Meron lang akong 1 pound.
Anong yung pagka-backplated niyan, mga ilang kilos yan?
Ito na sa mga
3 kilos. Oh, hindi na nga kailangan. Ayun ang maganda sa ano. Okay, you notice, oh, ang ganda ng boat, no? Because here, when you back roll, hindi tamatama yung mga paa mo. Kasi you can put your fins in between yung mga ito, yan. So hindi siya tatama. And this is a bigger boat compared to yesterday. So let's ask Rolly, ilang tank ito lahat, Rolly?
15 po.
15? Wow, 15. So that means to say, if you have a group of 7 divers, you can actually bring 2 tanks. So you don't have to go back. So just wait for your SI, maybe 1 hour. Then you can go diving again. That's the beauty of a big boat. Oh, ayan, oh. Nakahanda na yung mga tangke and it's not gonna move. Oh, so si Berna, my beautiful wife, will be ready. But look at that fins, see? So you have enough space. I would say this boat is I would say about 5 feet ang kanyang width. So it's a very wide boat. Captain, anong pangalan ni Captain? Arnold. Okay, Arnold. Ako ang lagi ko sinasabi sa kapitan, yung aking balloon kulay yellow. O pag nakita yung yellow, ibig sabihin nun, umahon na ako. Hindi, kasi alam mo, sa dami ng mga nagde-deploy, hindi mo alam kung kaninong balloon eh. Di ba? Yeah. So, pag may nakita kang kulay yellow, sunduin mo na ako. Ayan, handa na sila, oh. Ready. Oh, we're already here at the hole in the wall. So again, this is hole in the wall. Shark's Cave is over there. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Canyons is over there, and Shark's Cave is after. But you normally do that during the ebbing tide, and you end up in hole in the wall. Okay. So I will have to prepare myself. So, pwede na silang bumakrol? Wala bang agos dyan?
May konti po.
May konting agos? Okay. Okay, so sige. Berna, okay sign. Okay sign, Berna. Oh, okay sign, John. Para makaprepare. Yes! Let's enjoy the diving here at Mermaid Divers.
Makikita sa taas o sa baba?
Okay, so it was very good diving here at Mermaid. Yes. We decided to go to the Horsehead. Horsehead ang pinuntahan natin. Nakita pala natin may treasure shark. Ha? Sandali, hindi nyo nakita yung treasure shark. Hindi nyo nakita talaga, no? Alam nyo shark pero treasure daw yun eh. So talagang may treasure shark pala rito sa Puerto Galera.
May trauma akong umakyat dyan eh.
John,
Yeah.
may treasure shark pala talaga rito. Marami ng sightings ng treasure shark dito. Wow. Imagine, ha? So if you want to see the treasure sharks, you have to go deeper.
Ayaw nang bitawan yung bato. Iba pa yun yun. Yung kanin. Ayaw pa niya umakyat.
But they're normally in the area of sharks.
Yung angkla na yan.
No, not the Shark's Cave, but the canyon and the Horsehead Reef. All right. Ito pala, si long hair pala. Dive master ka, long hair, no? Dive master. All right, so we enjoyed the diving, so we're going back to Mermaid Resort. We are fast approaching Sabang. And right here, there's three famous wrecks before called the Sabang Wreck. So just to show you how Sabang looks like, on the other side is Small La Laguna and then Big La Laguna. So there's actually three coves here in Sabang. And this is famous for sunset, where you can actually swim. They have a slide. It's a sunset bar. So normally it's filled with people to enjoy sunset there. So they normally come at around 5 p.m. The advantage of Sabang is there's now a boardwalk, and that boardwalk is filled with restaurants and bars. Nag-i-enjoy ka ba paring John Estrella? Yes. Ganda talaga na. Ang laki ng ginanda ng Sabang because of the boardwalk. No? Pero alam mo, isang gusto kong puntahan yung pangalan nito, yung resort. Yan, i-close up ko. No, ginagawa siya. Yung resort na, ayun, yung Red Sun. Ito, yan ang ganda ng bar dyan sa gabi. Ano kaya pangalan ng ng resort na yan? Pero ang ganda ng bar niyan sa gabi. Okay, so if you want to go technical diving, there's a dive shop there called Dive Doho. That's for technical divers. And beside the Mermaid is also Captain Greg's, where you can find Ite. Yeah, the famous dive instructor, Ite. He is actually located there in Captain Greg's.
Sarap din yung burger dyan.
Burger? O, di gusto mo mag-burger na lang tayo. Yes, imagine that they spent a lot of money for that boardwalk, and after the dive, you can actually chill out in one of those restaurants. So this is how it looks. Before, this was all sand, but now you can actually park your boat right here, and you don't have to walk on those low tide where you get hit by the dead corals. Galing nun, si Ete na yan.
Pero anong plano?
Ang plano is kakain muna tayo.
Bukas na ako.
Oo.
Ako bukas na. Itago mo lang yung gamit.
Ang plano, sa totoo lang, bukas, babalikan natin yung horse head. Ha? Yung horse head, babalikan natin. So sabi ni Berna, kung para marami tayong hangin,
Hindi hangin ang problema natin, bottom
hindi, sabi mo wag na nga tayo mag-hole in the wall from canyons to horse head na. Sige, bukas ha. All right. So that's how you go down in the boat.
Kay Tibol,
Ha?
flooding. Ibing yung agos eh.
Oo nga.
Kanina po.
Kanina.
You don't want to dive on ebbing.
Kaya palayo
Definitely.
tayo. Palayo tayo sa reef eh.
So you want to dive only on flooding. Again, thank you for the dive, Rolly. Pare, Rolly, the instructor, thank you for the dive. And yung boatman natin. Sino itong ating magandang lalaking may long hair? Edwin, si Edwin yung long hair. Pag hindi nyo makita si Rolly, hanapin nyo si long hair. Yan, si long hair. Magaling na dive master yan, si long hair. Ito itong si boatman, dive master din si boatman? Hindi, okay.
Ano po yan? May open water na yan.
Okay. Okay, so
Kaya na yan mamana.
you should try out Mermaid, okay? Because they're very, very organized and they're very, very professional. So Bernard's already going down and we're going to have an early lunch. Pare, maraming salamat ha. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay.